if you scroll.
Hey.
Refresh it, like scroll down. And refresh.
Hello.
We should get
We
like a little
think
red
we're
circle.
live, and we think we can be heard.
We should have a red circle around us. Yes? Okay, wait. Now you stop talking. Can you hear me? Okay, you can hear me. Because you can never hear me.
Oh my gosh. Well, welcome back to MK Quilts, everybody. It's MK.
And it's Ellen.
We are your dynamic duo, and I don't know if you can tell, but Ellen is very, very happy and very, very excited.
I am so excited.
We were expecting this today. We weren't sure it was going to arrive. 25 minutes before closing, here it is. Okay, Ellen, what have we got?
Okay, so this is a new collection from Moda Fabrics. And I am so utterly thrilled and excited because it is from one of my absolute favorite designers that I've followed since like the beginning of time. And whenever I think of like 10, 15 years ago, okay, go back in your heads. There are those of us that have been quilting longer than I have, okay? And you had like Amy Butler in the beginning.
Thimbleberries.
I'm probably talking to the wrong person. Okay, there are people out there that remember Amy Butler, all right?
I remember her.
All right, I'm trying to think of others that were at this, but there was this very just new surge of just modern and clean and bright color fabric.
I missed the 411.
She was in Thimbleberries, right? Okay.
I was stuck there a long time.
There was this one designer called
Hold Please.
Hold
Wait,
Please.
let Carol get it.
We have new fabric. We have new. Can you like silence it?
We can't speak to you right now. Please leave a message.
Okay. So there was this one designer I absolutely loved called Lizzy House, and she used to design for Andover fabric, and she was just really bright colors, just this really different illustration type of look, and I loved her. I bought everything of her. She had this one kind of basic through Andover called pearl bracelets. Again, people look at me like I'm crazy, but you'll see it, and again, the good people out there will remember it. Well, it's back. She was like on hibernation forever, and she was growing her family. She was allowed to, but she did like...
Oh, thanks, Ellen.
I know, right? But she did like stationery and other little things here and there, but she stopped designing fabric, and I was so sad because she just had the cutest
Okay, so
things.
now I remember when the new fabric company, which is what are we going to unbox here? Moda. So I remember when the Moda rep was here, and she saw this on the card and in the fabric and stuff. She was like, "Oh, we're getting this," and I'm like,
Yeah, I was like,
okay,
bring in the whole thing.
I'm like, I pay the bills, but okay.
Yeah, I was very good. I got what's called a low-cal, right? Which means we get 20 pieces on 10-yard bolts. I was very nice. I was very, very, compromising with we are buying this group. Okay, I don't know what this is.
Okay, I'll open this.
I don't think that's involved with this, but we'll see what this is.
Hold, please.
I know what these are. I think this is stuff.
Just patterns.
That's from our order.
Okay. Well, let's do this, you guys. We just got these scissors back in this box. These are my absolute favorite scissors. They are considered an 8-inch, but they are just really light, fit your hand. I love them, and we have been sold out. So, going to be back in the store soon and very soon. Okay, so that's just stuff and patterns.
All right, so this is the collection. It's called Love Letter.
Please do the honors, Ellen.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Don't cut me.
Jeez. Okay, where's her swan? I want to show her swans first.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Look at them.
Are we loving? So she has this style. I don't even know how to describe it, but a lot of fabric people, they put so much in it and there's so much detail, and hers is just so clean and crisp, and I love her colors. I know it. Look at the pearl bracelets.
Oh my goodness.
Hey. Now, I have asked our rep who's come back, so Lizzy House, she did make a Christmas line. Guess what we also bought? I made by. And then there's more, so.
Feel this. It even feels nice. Wow.
So pearl bracelets isn't a basic yet, but I'm pushing on our rep really hard to move that up the chain.
Okay, so what could be in that taller box?
I know. So, and Andover, again, years ago, she did not have a coordinating wide back. I need the little cutter. But now she's with Moda, and I will say, when she first posted on Instagram and I saw the Moda ribbon around her like sneak peek, I squealed. I'm like, Moda! We get Moda!
Oh my goodness, Ellen. You are a hoot and a half.
Oh, it's so pretty!
Ellen, you can't have the whole bowl.
I could. So, I mean, just look at that as a backing.
And look at this. Oh. Do we have a master plan for this, Ellen?
No!
Oh.
It's just so pretty.
Oh, I like the swans in the pink. Look at that.
I know it.
Wow.
She's got these cute, tiny little strawberries. And, oh.
This is very sweet. Okay, what's in
Hold
here?
on then.
Oh.
So we got little bunnies and mushrooms. And oh gosh. So there's like 3 pearl bracelets. There's all these mixes. There's these great big florals. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is my birthday present to me. So when it was coming out, and again, we don't know how much other people are going to love what I love, right? We don't know. So this is my birthday present.
Your birthday isn't here yet.
I know it. Look, it's early.
I broke the thing.
My birthday's in April. Okay, but this is what I'm saying. That's what this is.
Oh, so that's more than the locale, isn't it?
This is the whole thing. Oh, look at the colors. Look at the pearl bracelets hiding in there.
Is your husband buying that for you, Ellen?
Oh, I already told him. He is. We've been talking about stuff, and I'm like, there's a fabric collection coming, honey, just so you know it.
Ellen, I have been like hooked in my hair
all your hair all day.
Must be time for a trim.
There you go.
So behind the camera, sorry, no, I'm talking loud. Let me reclip myself. So behind the camera, you can't see my part-time employee Zelda is back here. She's just like laughing at us. But Zelda, see all of these papers and stuff that's in with this fabric? This is going to be what you're trained on. Getting all this in the system so that all y'all can buy it, okay?
I know. Oh, it's just so pretty. I'm so excited.
And we have one little lonely Stripology Mixology 3. I don't get it.
I don't know why that's in there either. I'm sure we ordered it and it got delayed. Oh, I'm so excited. So So I will fully admit to being one of those fabric hoarders that buys a really pretty bundle and then just keeps it.
I know.
Right?
Well, your viewfinder fabric, you like kept that for a long time.
I did.
Before you made like
So,
the jackets and stuff.
I still have an original pearl bracelet bundle that I never cut into because it was so pretty. And I bought a lot of yardage, which I used. But I have a little bundle. She had this butterfly line. I've got pieces of stuff that I've just hoarded and saved. I do have quilts.
Okay,
with
for
her
goodness
fabric
sake,
that
can
I
we
had
tag her?
used.
Because you obviously need to start a fan club.
Oh, I'm so excited.
All right, you guys.
I hope
well,
you guys like my pick. And, you prove that, yes, this is awesome and I'm not alone.
it's pretty. I'll give you that.
Okay.
All right, you guys. Well, it's been a very productive day, hasn't it, Ellen?
It has.
So we're so glad that this came right at the end of the day so we could do the live, but we did a lot of other recording today. We had Q&A last night. Ellen and I are doing private lessons for the people who bought the gravity kit from us. We did recording for that today. We did a little specialty focus on a very specialty kind of fabric. So you're going to keep watching the feed over the next several days because you're going to see some things that we recorded today.
I'm so excited.
Ellen. Ellen.
My mother also is a big, big fan of pearl bracelets. And look, red and white pearl bracelets. So excited.
They're awesome. They're awesome. Okay, well, it's going to take Zelda a day or two to get this online, but we will be working on that. Start making your wish list now, and when it's available online, you will know it.
Yes.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for joining us for this very exciting unboxing. We've got so much coming up in the next few weeks, so don't go anywhere. Go shopping. Thank you for all of your business, for all of your support, for being a follower, all of those things. And until next time, from the Long Arm Studio and all of this to you, happy quilting, everybody. Bye-bye.